I am the seller of this car. This car is 2015 Honda Civic C2. I review this car. Uh, this is the plate license of the car. I repair good, okay. I repair the license plate. This car good conditions, and okay, I review this car. First, that is the trunk. Right, I review this car. The car is good condition, and the car is good condition and so good condition. Right. The car so having a sound in the car, and the car having safety, having MP3 ready steering. Alright, and door seat, and the car is good. It's a good car, and the car is good. Alright, and thanks for this car review. And review this car, so drive car and master key and restart key, rotate and more.